So today I want to teach you the this meditation. That's not a grammatical error. I mean the meditation using the word this. So I'm going to teach you to use it in two ways. The first way is as a mantra in meditation. So a mantra is, put simply, a word or a sound that we repeat in meditation. We say it to ourselves, that grounds us and anchors us in the meditation. So if you've ever tried to sit quietly and you notice your thoughts go all over, that's where a mantra comes in handy. And this is a big reason why a lot of people get very frustrated with meditation, because they feel like they're doing it wrong if they can't stop their thoughts from thinking. And so this is one of the things that we mix up a little bit, because the brain is designed to think. That's its job. It is going to think. Just like our heart is going to keep beating, our stomach is going to continue to digest food, our brain always wants to think. So instead of trying to force it to not think or be quiet, we give it a job to do. And that job is a mantra. And so for today's meditation, we'll use the mantra of this, the word this. And so what you would do is just very quietly sit and take a breath in and out, and then repeat to yourself the word this, this, this. And you don't have to say it out loud. You can say it inside your head, but you'll repeat that over and over again. What you will notice is that your mind will wander. Like I said, that's totally okay. And then when you catch it, bring it back to your mantra word. So this. I find the word to be very calming and comforting as you start getting used to it. It might feel a little different at first, but it is very calming because it's a way of marking the moment. Like this moment feels good. This is enjoyable. This is what I want. This is calming and comforting. So practice that a little bit. It doesn't matter how long you meditate for. There's no right or wrong. It could be 30 seconds, could be 30 minutes, could be 5 minutes, could be 10 minutes. And try experimenting with this word. See if that connects with you when you use that. Now, the second way I'm going to have you use it is throughout your day to mark your good moments. So we all have busy days, we all have stressful days, and we even have traumatic days. But within each of those days, each of those moments, there can be some good things. It's just that our brain is trained for the negative. The brain is always trying to keep us safe and scanning the horizon, looking for what could be dangerous or stressful or harmful to us. So this is a way to counter that a little bit. So what you would do is just go through your day, and when you notice something that you like, just inside your head, just mark it with this. And if you can have a little calm breath with it, maybe a little smile, that'll mark it even stronger. So try to catch those moments. What that is saying to yourself is, this is a moment I love. Yes, even in the midst of a busy day. Or this is something I want more of. This is good. This is fun. This is sweet. This is what I like to see. And so I'll give you some examples of how you could use that. So let's say that you're running around, just a crazy busy day. You have company coming over, you're trying to get everything ready, and all of a sudden over to the side you glimpse your children having a really sweet moment playing a game together. And they're behaving and being quiet and just playing nicely over there. That's a moment where you just pause and do this. And then go back, go around, finishing up all your tasks, go back to your busy day. But you just underscored that moment. Another example would be, say, if you're stuck in traffic and it's going to take you twice as long to get home. How frustrating is that? And then all of a sudden you look over, say, to your right, and you see a beautiful sunset. That's another time of just this. That is a cool sunset. And just mark it breathe it in, say the word, and then go out and about your commute. And then one more example that I would give is, let's say you're waiting for the results of a medical test. You're a bit nervous about the diagnosis and not sure, what's going to come of that. And then all of a sudden, you get a ding on your phone and you see a cute, adorable picture of your grandbaby. That's another moment for this. And so mark it, say the word this in your brain, and look at that cute, adorable picture and just really connect with it just for a split second, and then go on about your day. So it's nothing fancy. It's not pretending that horrible things don't happen. It's not being Pollyanna, but it's just highlighting and noting that there are good moments throughout our day. And the more you start catching them, the more you will see more of them. So play with both of those. One, using this as a mantra in meditation, no matter how short or long. And then the other, to mark your good moments in a day. And experiment with that for the next week. And if you feel up to it, send me an email. Let me know how you experienced it, if that was something helpful to you.